Howdy folks, it's Crouching Python here with another tip on command blocks. Beginner command blocks in Minecraft Education Edition. Today we're going to be talking about the give command, which is very simple but very powerful. Alrighty, so I think we're going to do it with, let's do it with the NPC. I think I've already got one set up here with Mr. Mysterioso, okay? So if I look at him here, so I'm in World Builder mode, okay? Advanced settings. Here's the code, okay? Now this is going to give the player a diamond sword, all right? Give at P and then the name of whatever it is that you want to give. Now at P, let's just go over this in the chat, okay? So you can kind of see what the options are, okay? So if I start typing down here and I do give, good, and then here are my choices, okay? I can give at A, all the players. At C, my agent, my little robot dude. At E, all entities. An entity is basically in Minecraft anything that moves. At P is the closest player, the closest to wherever the command is executed. At R is a random player. You can just pick one at random. At S is myself. And at V, all agents, which would be all the little robot dudes. Or I could put, here's my name, okay? But I'm going to do it for the closest player. So we did give at P and then what? And then we have our list of stuff. And I did diamond and all this comes up, right? Underscore, sword, okay? And if I hit tab, it takes it in there, okay? And that will give me a diamond sword. So that's how I know that it works. Now let's go back to Mr. Mysterioso. And in the advanced settings, this is kind of a cool thing. You can do it with a command block and activate it and have them push a button or a lever or whatever. The nice thing about the NPC though, and it works the same way, is that you can say, have them talk to you and then put this in button mode and it says, give me a sword. You can say it, say whatever you want, okay? So now, if I go up to him, I have to get out of World Builder mode, like that, and I right-click. He talks to me. Welcome to my amazing adventure. I've already put this in, of course. Push the button for a diamond sword and start. So I get out of there. Whoops, sorry. Where was it? Here's the button right there. Give me a sword. So if I click on that, now I've got two, because I already had one from before, okay? Now, let's say I don't want to do it with the NPC. I just want to do a straight command block. Well, you remember that. Speaking of give, you have to give yourself a command block so you can use it, right? There's the give command right there. And now I've got one right there in my right hand. Pop that down there, right click, and I can say here, give the closest player at P, a die. Now here's the tricky thing. I'm not going to get my built-in help here in the command block, which is why it's always nice to try it out in the chat first. But that looks right. Yep. And I can get need a button. Let's just get a button. And birch will do fine. Okay, I'm going to put that right, whoops, sorry, shift. Okay, now, so I've got two diamond swords, as you see, in my inventory right now, my hotbar, and if I right-click on this and push the button, it should give me a third one. Let's see. Oh yeah, right there, given, you've been given one diamond sword. That's how it works. So just do it in the command block. Right there, give at P. Remember, you can do at P, at all entities, at myself, a random player. You can give it to a specific player if you know that player's gamer tag. And that's how it works with the command block. Over here with Mr. Mysterioso, I just popped it in there. Remember, you have to be in World Builder mode to actually edit that. All right, and that's under the advanced settings. You put the command in here just like you would in the command block. You can change it to button mode. If you put it in button mode, it shows the little button and you click the button. If you don't choose button mode, it just gives it to you as soon as you right click on the NPC. As soon as you interact with it, it'll give you that. So It's up to you, whatever works for you. And that is the basics of the give command. All right. See you in the next one. Thank you very much.